Someone asked me in my last video all those things I mentioned about the right way to practice Ọdịnani, which, if I'm to remind you, I talked about the right way to practice Ọdịnani being something as simple as know your chi, know your ancestors, align with them, and periodically, faja, iwal hoji, when you pour libation to them is a way of acknowledging them, their contribution to your life. How? Because we know that without our ancestors, they will not birth our parents and obviously our own existence. So this is just a simple way to practice Ọdịnani. So somebody asked me, Kedu, what is the right way? Or how do I now acknowledge these other forces that I mentioned? Ọdịnani Igbo says that you have to start from your roots. Inwardly, you have to be beautiful before you start looking for what is outside. In a mistake. So what Ọdịnani Igbo tells you is that you need to start by understanding your family heritage. You have to understand your family genealogy. You have to understand the spiritual foundations that guides your family. So in a way, Ọdịnani will teach you how to identify with your culture, your lineage, and your lineage identity. Agwụ, a na-enwe agwụ ụmụnna maọbụ agwụ ezinụlọ. Mmụọ or alụsị, a na-enwe alụsị ụmụnna, alụsị benna or alụsị ikwu nne. It is telling you that these were ancestral forces that your ancestors instituted for a certain purpose for your own family. So it is not a rocket science that I will start coming to tell you, oh, you should do this, you should do that, or you have to go here, or you have to go there. It's as simple as going back to your family to ask the right questions. Kedu mmụọ ndị be anyị gọrọ? Kedu mmụọ na-echekwebe ngwurube anyị? Kedu mmụọ bụ mmụọ be nna m? Kedu mmụọ bụ mmụọ ikwu nna m? Then from there, you can now start. Like in my own now, the first time that my dad told me, because Ọdịnani, I got different places now to questions. So my dad asked him, Ọdịnani, Ọdịnani, but mmụọ be nna gị. And say ha, anyị nwere mmụọ be nna gị. Now said negodo ya. He now directed me. Now said, go here, follow this way. He said, boy, coach, number female, ilu coach ya. Join the mother. Kebe ugwu ọchụbanọ. Ọ mmụọ be nna gị.